tip. The phone can be used as a face shield. Yeah, I know there's a better way. Everybody's going to tell me there's a better way. The problem is there's a frame here, and if I keep trying to use a pry bar or something to hold on. Alright, here's the thing. Everybody's going to tell me there's a better way. The thing is, there's a frame here, okay? So I can't, go that way, and I can't really put a pry bar here. I already put like a little, we're gonna have to fix that, but yeah, I can't pry here. This will damage the frame. It's obvious that'll, and what's happened is there's these sleeves in here that have rusted due to this being left in a swamp marsh, a salt marsh, a salt swamp, brackish water really. But anyway, so the bolt doesn't want to come out. So what we've done is we're going to cut the head off, punch it through this way till it breaks free of the collar in here, and then it'll come back out a little bit, but then I'll be able to work it back out this way. And this comes off. This ain't a big deal. Yeah. Not a whole lot of progress here. Kinda. At least you can see it in the daytime now. You know what we're doing, what we're up against. The Polaris RZR XP 1000. For those who don't know already. We got all these. Good old Derek. Pay that no attention. Alright. Make sure you like and subscribe. You have to like and subscribe. We'll do epic stuff.